All right, happy apocalypse, everybody. While we're on quarantine, we're gonna wrench every day. This is my 2002 330 E46, and this old differential bushing is completely shot. I posted a video a couple weeks ago. That 50s kid used one of these, I guess this is a bearing kit for front wheel drive. And anyways, this thing's awesome. This is a lot more effective than sitting here trying to burn this thing out and dick around with it. So basically, you've got this cup, it's gonna go on one side, match this little plate to the size of your bearing or your bushing. And the only thing I had to modify is this forcing screw here because it ain't gonna work. So that was like Home Depot, like $4. Anyways, I'll show you how I got it all put together. As you can see, that's our bushing. I kind of already got it started. This thing's coming out really easy. So, I mean, this is probably a 10-minute job with this little tool here. So, take your sleeve. It's gonna go right yay. Then let's see. Then you need this guy. It's gonna go there, and then this forcing screw is a little on the long side. You can see it hits that bracket over there. So solve that issue. Let's see here. It was this guy just kind of used as a spacer. So then you're gonna have this guy here. It's like your driver, I guess. It's gonna go on that side, and you're gonna want your washer and your nut. Okay, just like that, right? Handy dandy Milwaukee. A wrench on that side, and just go ham at it, I guess. There she goes. There it is. I guess you could sit here for a half hour, an hour, and burn this thing and chew at it and yada yada yada. Or this kit was like $50 on eBay. Anyways, I will post a link, and it's definitely worth the money. If you're going to be doing this kind of stuff, I highly recommend. Alright, so let's see if we can put all this back together now. Kind of looks like this guy might have already did this job, but he made a pretty crucial mistake. I don't know if you can see on that, but somewhere in here it says top and it has an arrow. I'm guessing he didn't see the arrow because this little dot here is supposed to be facing towards the front of the car. You had it facing down. That and the nut holding it on was about finger tight, so no shit, this thing massively failed. So we're gonna do a better job. So I'm guessing you just get this thing lined up into place, your dot going in the right direction. Then I got these plates, my spacer there. It's gonna go like so, and then what? You take this other spacer on this side, and I guess when it bottoms out against that plate, you're done. And hold it all up in there. Washer, nut. Come on, you fucker. There we go. So just drive it in there, see how this goes. There we go. A little persuasion. Alright, so ran into an issue. Had to add another spacer here because this was slamming into that bracket and I might have to pry that back out a little bit, but no worries. Now, I think we should be good to go here. Just try not to drop the drill on your face. All right, so in hindsight, get another forcing screw that's shorter, or you're just gonna end up stacking plates here. You know, I think I remember that 50s kid saying something about that in his video, but you know, marijuana affects the memory, so. Anyways, we're almost there. All right, final form here. Swapped out this cup for one that's recessed, so it's engaging on the outside of this bushing, not pushing on the center. I was kind of worried I might rip it. And then I had to add yet another spacer, so definitely a good idea to get a shorter forcing screw for reinstalling. And also my impact is not doing it anymore, so I busted out my trusty breaker bar here, and I've only got maybe 1/8 inch 3/16 to go, I think, from the looks of it, but you know, a little manpower. Maybe swear at it in German if I knew any German, and eventually it'll get in there. And it's turning. Nothing's broke yet. Good times. All right, there she is. Now, from what I understand, you're supposed to have a little lip on this side, and then it's got to be flush on that side. So unfortunately, our $4 Home Depot forcing screw did not survive. As soon as that thing bottomed out, it just stripped the threads, and you know, a little aggressive negotiations got it out of there. But this is what I was talking about with that, changing that cup so that it would ride on this outer metal surface instead of pushing on the middle here and then running the possibility of cracking all your rubber out. So swap that out. Maybe use grade A hardware. Definitely get a long one and a short one. But other than that, pretty straightforward.